diagonals of the polygon. The today class you will learn another one important concept, that is triangles. So triangles, it is a closed figure and it is also one of the polygon. It is made by the how many of the line segment? It is made by the 3 line segments and it is also a polygon. So triangle, it is a closed figure and made by the 3 line segment and it is one of the polygon. So here also you can learn the sides of the triangles and vertices of the triangle and angles of the triangle. See here, it is the ruler. It helps us to draw a line segments. And the next one is, this is example for the polygon. Right? So this is a polygon. It is made by the how many of the line segments? 3 line segments, and you can see here 3 vertices and you can see here 3 angles. So what is this angle? The angle is nothing but if the 2 rays are formed an angle in the corner. For example, it has the same initial point and this is the initial point of the ray. This is the one ray and this is another one ray. They formed an angle in the corner. Okay, this is called as an angle. The ray AB this is, and the ray AC. Those 2 rays are forming here, or making the angle here, and those 2 are meet at this point and they form the angle in the corner. So this is called as an angle A for the angle BAC. For this, the angle is A. This is called as an angle. Here you can learn angles of the triangle also. First, what you have to do is draw a triangle. So this is a triangle, right? So you can draw by the ruler. It is help us to draw a line segment. So this is it is made by the line segments, right? So this name is A, B, C. The triangle A, B, C. Okay. So how you can write this? The triangle, this is a symbol, the triangle A, B, C. Or also you can write it as a triangle ABC. Also, you can write it in the form of triangle ABC also, or in the form of triangle ABC also. Here, what are the sides of this triangle? So as we learnt already the sides and vertices, diagonals in the polygons. So as we know that the side is nothing but the line segments or making polygon. So what are the line segments or formed a polygon? Those are called as a sides. This triangle is formed by a line segments. Those line segments are called as a sides of the triangle. So what are the line segments in this triangle ABC? So here, this is the one line segment AB and the another one line segment BC and another one line segment CD. Right? So these 3 are called as the sides of this triangle ABC. So what are the sides? Sides of the triangle. In the triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC. So what are the sides? See, AB is a side. Right? The next BC is a side. Next CA is this side. So these are all called as the sides of the triangle. So the sides of the triangle is nothing but, so it is made by the line segment. The line segments are formed a triangle here. Those line segments are called as a sides of the polygon or sides of the triangle. So it is formed by the line segment AB, BC and CA. These 3 are called as the sides of the triangle ABC. Here, what are the vertices? What are the vertices? B, C. Okay, these points are called as a vertices. In the triangle ABC, these are all are called as a vertices. The next one is angles of the triangle. What are the angles? So here I told you where the two rays are meet. Okay, those are called as a angles, and those were meet in the corners to make a in the corners, and another one it has the same initial point where it is started, that is in that place they form a angle. For example, this is the initial point of the ray for BA, and this is the initial point of the ray BC. Where the angle is formed, they form an angle in B. If the ray it starts from here AB and AC, this is an angle, and the another one angle is C. So how many of the angles for the triangle ABC? Or not only the triangle ABC, you can just call it as a triangle BAC or CBA or ACB. This is the triangle. So what are the angles of this triangle? Angle BZ, angle A, angle C. You can write it as the angle. So what are the angles? Angle A, angle B or angle C. This is also correct. Or you can write it as angle A, B, C. Or you can write it as an angle A, B, C. Then angle ABC means, so what is angle? It shows that which triangle it will come here middle, that is showing as angle ABC. The next one is angle BCA. The next angle CAB. These three are angles. This is about the angles of the triangles. The triangle, it is a three-sided polygon. It is a closed figure and it has a three vertices and three sides and three angles. Okay. So this is all about the triangles. This is triangle. It is the one kind of the polygon. The next one is, you can learn the another one type of the polygon, that is quadrilateral. You can learn about the quadrilateral also. You can learn another one polygon, that is quadrilateral. So this is the one kind of the polygon. It is made by the four line segments, and it is also the closed figure made by the four line segment, that is called as a quadrilateral, and it is one kind of the polygon. How you can draw it? So you have to do by the line segment, and it is completely made by the line segment, and it is a closed figure. Okay, so here this is the see here. So it is one quadrilateral made with the four line segments. So how many of the line segments? The quadrilateral A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral and it is made by the four sides. Already we know that the sides we learned already in the concept of polygons and as well as a triangle. So which are the line segments? So those which are the line segments or formed a polygon, those line segments are called as a sides. So what are the sides is AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side and DA is a side. So the sides of the polygon, so it is closed figure and made by the line segment. So what are the sides? AB is a side and BC is a side and CD is a side and DA is a side. Okay. So AB is a side or BA is a side, both are same. So what are the sides of this quadrilateral? AB, BC, CD and D. And what are the vertices of this quadrilateral? What are the vertices? So vertices already we learned, the two pairs of the sides or meet at the point. Two sides. This is the one side and this is another one side. They meet at this point. This is the vertex. And this is the one side and this is another one side. The pair of the sides meet at the point. This is vertex. And this is another one side and this is another one side. The meet at the point D, that is a vertex. And this is another one side meet at this point. This is also vertex. So what are the vertices? A, B, C and D. And one thing, can identify what are the diagonals of this quadrilateral. Already I told you the non-adjacent vertices. Which are the non-adjacent vertices here? This vertex and this vertex is adjacent because this is these two or can join and they are made at the point. So those are called as the adjacent vertices. And which are non-adjacent here? This AC is non-adjacent and CAD is a non-adjacent vertex. So which are the non-adjacent vertices here? AC is a non-adjacent vertex. So you can join this. This is a diagonal and BD is a non-adjacent vertices. This is another one diagonal. So what are the diagonals of this quadrilateral? So AC is a diagonal and BD is another one diagonal. This is all about the polygons. The first one is the one of the polygon is triangle. The another one of the polygon is quadrilateral. This is all about the polygons. The next class you can learn about some of the very important concepts in the next class. Thank you.